Hey guys, it's Ellie. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be opening one of my Christmas presents and I'm going to be using it. So this is a waffle maker that I got. It has all of these cute molds and all of these different animals so that the waffles will come out in these shapes. So what we're going to use to make the pancakes is this pancake mix, this Korean pancake mix that we picked up quite a while ago. So that's going to be our waffle, and then inside we're going to put some red bean paste inside of it. So that's going to have the red bean paste inside of it, and I love red beans, so this is going to be great. It's going to be a Korean style waffle, so that's why I have all of this red bean paste and stuff. And we also have some avocado spray just to spray around the waffle maker to make sure that the waffle doesn't stick to the maker. Okay, so these are what they look like now. They're really cute, except for a few which are kind of ugly because the batter went off the mold, but here they are. So I'm gonna eat this one. It's a dog, and it's the ugliest one, but I'm gonna eat it anyways because I'm sure I'll eat it. It's really hot. The red bean paste is really hot. But it's really good too. The batter is really kind of crunchy because we let it sit in the waffle maker for a while, so it's nice. These are like really crunchy, but the middle is soft. Like these parts right here, if you just pull off the ugly parts, they're really crunchy. This is the end of today's video. I had a lot of fun making these little cute and tasty waffles. They are really good and I really enjoyed them, so I definitely recommend it. You guys can look it up on Amazon. It's the Waffle Wow by Cucina Pro, and here it is. Bye!